Well, hello everybody. How are we doing today? Guess what time it is? It's Mumbox time. I'm so excited. You know what's in here? Hearts and banners. Yay! So hopefully I will get these listed over the weekend or possibly tomorrow. I don't know. I have a lot going on today. So I know I won't get to it today, but exciting. While we're getting this open, I want to do a shout out to my newest Patreon subscriber, Jeannie in Washington. Thank you, Jeannie. I'm so excited to have you in the tribe. And Jeannie signed up just in time to get in on this month's Happy Meal. Happy Meal goes out on the 15th of every month for patrons, so that's exciting. So thank you again, Jeannie. All right, here we go. Ta-da! What is it? It's scraps. It's fabric scraps. Fabric Scrapapalooza. Awesome sauce. Look at all these vintage. These are from vintage tablecloths and doily things. I mean, you guys know, pretty much all I use is scraps, and 90% of them come from my mom. So that's cool. Wow, that is a lot of scraps. Awesome sauce. I'm gonna try and not make a mess here. I'm filming in my bedroom because every other filming area is occupied at the moment with other projects. This is pinned, so I don't know if that means it's tiny scraps or something different. It looks like tiny scraps. She said she's afraid to throw anything away now because I'll use it all. And she's not wrong. I will. All right. Itty bitty. All right. I believe you, Mom. I'm just, oh, look at these hearts. This is what you guys have been waiting for. So cool. All right. Let's see. Ooh, that is fun. Yumminess. Oh, I might be able to use that in an art journal. Let's see what itty bitty scraps look like. Aww, they are itty bitty, but I use that stuff. I surely do. Awesome. Let me not lose this pin. All right. Okay. Seam binding, very nice. I will use that. Another little wooden spool. I have a little collection of those. More scraps. My mom is an awesome packer, if nothing else. I mean, she's many things, but. All right, let's get started with these. So each one has a little pocket, and I'm gonna put something in them. I don't know what yet, but each one is unique, so I will pull them out and show them to you one at a time. Beautiful. They're just gonna look so cute hanging on a door or a little nail or anywhere really. So she uses mostly reclaimed fabrics, vintage fabrics that she finds that have, you know, holes or stains or whatever, that they're not practical for everyday use anymore. Look at those buttons. I love that old tape measure. Very cool. These are gonna be fun to fill up. I'm thinking like a little vintage photo, maybe a little vintage ticket. Look at all these. So cool. Ugh. Love it. Love it. can't remember how many she said she made. She asked me how many I wanted, and I said all of them. So, oh, look at that one. Very cool. These are beautiful, Mom. Okay. Oh, look at these cards. So cute. Wow. Just don't see cards like that anymore. That'll be fun to go through. My mom, she's got the eye. Ooh, look at these cute little coin envelopes. Love that. Yes. Yeah. Okay, we've got some different banners this time, you guys. Check it out. All made from these vintage fabrics. So she does the white on white, and I think there's one white on white left in the store right now. But these are different. Beautiful. And they've got the pocket. So I'll be putting some vintage goodies in the pockets. Oh yeah, these are fun. Wouldn't these look fun in your craft room? Your sewing room, kitchen, or anywhere? Seriously? Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, we got one with the vintage embroidery. Ugh, adorable. Look at that. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful, Mom. This is gonna be fun. Get these filled up and listed as well. Cute. This one's got a little double pocket. All right. 2 more to go. Oh, this is a white on white. Very nice. I feel like I just used a scrap of this that she probably gave me before. It's funny how we recognize fabrics. I just love that detail. But yeah, if you want to see what these look like hung up, you can go check out my shop. I'll put a link below to my link tree that has, if you click on it, then it takes you to all my different links. So you can find my Etsy shop and my Patreon, and I don't think Instagram is on there, but well, you're on no, you're not. This is going to be on YouTube. Chances are you found me from Instagram anyway. Oh, there's 2 more in here actually. Get this sweet vintage rickrack on there. Clever. I can't wait to get these hung up and see them like all together with their colorfulness. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. All right, one more. My oldest daughter is coming over tonight for dinner, so I have bread rising right now because we're gonna have soup and bread. And I just took a cake out of the oven, so it smells pretty darn good in here. It's gonna smell even better when I get that cake baked or that bread in the oven. Oh, these are so cool, Mom. So cool. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna try and get these listed over the weekend, so keep your eyes open. And Yeah, thanks, Mom. You're awesome. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and I'll catch you next time.